Hello guys and welcome back to your channel. I love 164. Today I have changed the setup a little bit and I was happy actually. Thank you so much guys for making 1000 subscribers on this channel. I'm really thankful to all of you guys, and actually I have received very positive responses on my Instagram, and some even try to contact me on WhatsApp through different groups, and they told me that they are getting really inspired and my videos are actually helping them for getting the car if they wanted to buy it or not. So yeah, that was the motive. The motive was never to make the money or anything from the YouTube. It was always to help the community, and yeah, we are doing that positively. So yeah, and yes, on the other side we are still not making money, so it's okay. So I always find some cars for myself and I always open them on the YouTube so that it can help you guys to decide if you really need to get it or not. So I sometimes even waste my money because some cars are not good enough to buy. So these two cars I have recently bought, and it was from a new seller, so of course he did not actually pack them well, and the box was quite destroyed. So to check, to out of curiosity that I hope the cars are not damaged, I have cut them and opened them, but I'm going to review them here. I checked them just to know if something is damaged or not. So let's see this Lamborghini Countach in this Viola 30th color. I have bought this car a couple times, like in different variants, different colors, and I really like this kind of color. Actually, I do not have any other car in this color, so I thought I should get this, and this looks really cool actually. The base is very simple, plain, just like all the supercars have, and we have threads over here on the wheels look cool. And let's put this on the turntable and have a closer look, right? Yeah, let's do that. So this Viola violet or whatever the color this is on this Countach looks cool, really cool, and radiates so well. I mean, you guys have seen all those cool cars on the and cool colors on the Lamborghinis, right? They always look good. If it's a flaunty color, it looks good on Lamborghini, and this is how it looks. This one on a Lambo. All the details are same as usual. They have carbon fiber detailing on the sides, on the trims, on the back bumper. We have tail lights, headlights, all the details, but the color itself looks cool. We have engine detailings also, and you can see that, right? Clearly it is visible. It's a cool car to have. I'm missing the white car of the Countach. I'm going to find it soon. Now let's move to the next one. So that was your Countach, the new Countach, and here is your Bentley Flying Spur Monaco yellow. There are very few cars that come in this kind of black and yellow theme, and there's something in this color. They all look really cool, and so is this. You can see, right? This is a cool car in a very cool color to have. You can see that the detailings are really nice. The base looks cool. We have threads over here on the wheels, and let's put this on the turntable as well. Bentley Flying Spur. The Bentley logo on the front. The grille looks cool. The headlight looks itself like you put the diamond there. The wheels look really nice on this car. The black wheels with the classic car, just like the classic cars have. The Bentley logo on the back and on the number plate. The tail looks like cool. It has a trim on the top, on the side, and on the back tail lights as well. It's a very well detailed car in a very nice color. It is simple and elegant, something if you are a fan of Bentley, I'm sure you did not miss this one. And if you did miss this one, you should not miss this one. So that was your Bentley Flying Spur. Initially, I was confused about if it was Bentley Continental. That's why I did not buy it. But later, I found out it's not Continental. It's a different car. Totally, I was not aware about it. I'm sorry. So thank you so much, guys, for watching my videos. Thank you so much for subscribing the channel. And I hope I'll keep making the videos for you guys. And I'll keep inspiring you. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Till then, bye-bye.